Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to get over-the-air TV channels on a TCL Roku TV. So they're all in one. Here's a remote. This is the only remote that comes with these type of TVs. This is a 43-inch. The information I'm going to give you should work for most Roku TVs. So I'm going to show you two things. I'm going to show you how to quickly make a bootleg antenna out of coax, and I'm going to show you how to go over to the channels that you can get through the antenna. It's not the easiest thing, but here's a way that works every time. So first, let me show you the bootleg antenna. Now, I live in Brooklyn, New York City area, so we're close to the TV stations, only a few miles away. So pretty much a bootleg antenna should work fine. So here's coax. I took a short jumper that was maybe a few feet long, and I cut it down to about 5 feet. So you see right there, I have the coax screwed in on one side into the 75 ohm antenna input on the back of the TV. On the other side, I cut. Let me pull this out. I cut the connector off, and I cut the insulation off to expose the copper wire. You want that exposed, and you want to make sure that none of the shielding, this foil over here, is touching the center conductor, okay? And the shielding, the wired shielding kind of pulls all the way back, kind of like a spring. You can take your time to cut it away, but it takes a while. So I just pulled it back and taped it out of the way. So now we have that sticking out. And I kind of face it vertical behind the shelf. I want to get it out of the way so it's not an eyesore, but you see that little piece sticking up there. All right, so that's the bootleg antenna. Okay, so the first thing you want to do with your TCL Roku TV, once you hooked up the coax or your external antenna for over-the-air programming, you want to go from the home menu, you want to go to settings. Okay, if you scroll down, you'll see home, and keep going, and you'll eventually hit settings. Okay, you're gonna come on over and scroll down to TV inputs. Okay, and then you'll see all the inputs. Come on over to that area and go to live TV, right? And then you're gonna see scan for channels. And you're going to come on over and click scan for channels. Now, I did it already, and I don't want to do it again because it takes quite a while. It takes a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes. You either pick up a few channels, you might pick up 20, 30 or more channels, but you should find all the major networks like NBC, CBS, Fox, all that, if you live close to the city, or if you have a big external antenna on the roof. All right, so after you do the channel searching and you're coming back to your TV and you want to start watching the channels, from your home screen, you will go down to settings. All right, but before we do that, let's go back. Let me show you. You're going to see live TV and you're thinking, why not go to live TV there, right? So we hit live TV and you'll scroll down and you'll see CBS, Peacock, and where is it? Right here, Fox, Live Now. This is all coming over the internet. If you have internet hooked up to your TV and it's live, so it's only like news stuff. It's not real over-the-air programming. So forget about that. Okay, so what we're gonna do is go back to settings. All right, and then come on over. Once you're there, go to inputs, TV inputs. Then come on over here. We're gonna go to live TV. All right, this is a different way to do live TV. And once you do that, we will go to manage channels, right? And then you gotta come over to here, go down, manage all channels, hit that. And then it should bring up your menu for all the channels that you have scanned for. Here's the Yankee game playing. All All right, you can hit the back button to get out of this. All right, so we have one channel here. Now, if you want to get the channel guide, you hit this the 4-way button here to the left. That should bring it up. So there we go. So these are all the channels that I scanned for over the air. So we're gonna go back to the Yankee game. So there you go. I hope this helped you out. Any questions or comments, leave it below. Thanks for watching. Like button, subscribe. Take care.